And yes, guys, I finally found the brand new Monster Jam trophy collection, guys. Here it is. It includes a trophy and card. It's a gold Gravedigger. They did the 4th anniversary Gravedigger in the playset. I remember, and it was that color. Here's the packaging, guys. Brand new packaging. That's Spin Master's given us. So, there's Sparkle Smash, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, and El Toro Loco right there. Series 1, guys. Contains trophy. It includes trophy. Without further ado, let's open. I'm going to keep the card intact because I'm going to cross out the ones I need. Card, there it is. Thick cardboard. Gravedigger, guys. One of Alamodome. This was January 2024. Pretty cool. Little trophy. It's like the Hot Wheels. Hold on. Oh, guys, give me a minute. Sorry about that. It's like the Hot Wheels trophy collection. Monster Jam World Finals. Let's get to the nice truck. Here you go, guys. Oh, that is so cool. BKT tires, gold rims and bead locks. The silver headers. Red headlights, green flames. Gold metal flake body. Black chassis. Black tires. Die-cast metal body. Back of the truck. So that's the only 2 trucks I got today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share guys more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope y'all enjoyed.